Salam, benim adım Sevda'dır. My name is Sevda, and today we're learning how to say I have something in Azerbaijani language. So there are two ways of how to say I have something in Azerbaijani language, and the meanings are a little bit different. So let's start with the first one. The first structure will be mende var. Mende kalem var. Mende defter var. Let's go through all of the forms first. So you will say mende kalem var. Mende kalem var. Sende kalem var. Sende kalem var. Onda kalem var. Onda kalem var. Bizde defter var. Bizde defter var. Sizde defter var. Sizde defter var. Onlarda defter var. Onlarda defter var. And the same with the negative, you will just change var into yoktur, and you will say mende defter yoktur. Mende defter yoktur. Sende defter yoktur. Onda defter yoktur. Bizde defter yoktur. Sizde defter yoktur. Onlarda defter yoktur. And when you ask a question, you just add a little bit of question intonation, like sende kalem var, sende kalem var, sizde kalem var. Okay, let's talk about the meaning now. So when you say mende kalem var, that means that you have a pen, but it probably doesn't have any personal value to you. It's something that you just have, okay? Mende bir kalem var. Mende defter var. Mende lügat var. A good example of this would be, for example, if you would like to borrow a pen from someone, so then you would say, Sende artık kalem var. Sende artık kalem var. Do you have an extra pen? So someone has maybe 3 or 4 pens and they're willing to lend you one. Or maybe you need to borrow a few manat, so you can say sende pul var. Sende pul var. And this will mean, like, do you have any money on you at the moment? Sende pul var. This structure can be very useful when you go to the store and you need to figure out if they have something. So you can say, Sizde kara çörek var. Sizde kara çörek var. Do you have brown bread? Sizde qatık var. Sizde qatık var. Do you have plain yogurt? So let's move to structure number 2. It sounds very, very similar. So it will be mənim var. Mənim bir oğlum var. Okay, so let's go through all the forms. Mənim bir oğlum var. Sənin bir oğlun var. Sənin bir oğlun var. Onun bir oğlu var. Onun bir oğlu var. Bizim bir oğlumuz var. Bizim bir oğlumuz var. Sizin bir oğlunuz var. Sizin bir oğlunuz var. Onların bir oğlu var. Onların bir oğlu var. Okay, and the negative form will be the same. You just change var into yoktur. Benim oğlum yoktur. I don't have a son. Senin oğlun yoktur. Onun oğlu yoktur. Bizim oğlumuz yoktur. Sizin oğlunuz yoktur. Onların oğlu yoktur. And again, for question, you just add some intonation. Sizin oğlunuz var. Sizin oğlunuz var. Sizin uşağınız var. Sizin uşağınız var. And if you notice, there are some endings added to the nouns. That's because mənim is a possessive pronoun. Mənim, my, senin, yours. Those are possessive pronouns. And in Azerbaijani language, when you use possessive pronouns, the nouns also get an ending, but I will teach you that in my next video. Now, the meaning of this, when you say mənim var rather than mende var, that means that you have something and it has a personal value to you. It's something very personal, like mənim uşağım var. I have a child. You never say məndə uşaq var. Mənim uşağım var. Mənim 2 qızım var. I have 2 daughters. Mənim maşınım var. Mənim maşınım var. I have a car. So it's something that belongs to you, and it's also very important, probably not something that you're gonna give away. This structure is also used with time. So you will say, mənim yarım saat vaxtım var. Mənim yarım saat vaxtım var. Okay, maybe we can practice this a little bit in the comments below and you can tell me. Sizin uşağınız var. Sizin uşağınız var. Sizin maşınınız var. Sizin maşınınız var. Sizin vaxtınız var. Sizin vaxtınız var. Okay, I hope this was useful and you learned something new today. So please subscribe, comment, you may share my videos, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Sağ olun, görüşürüz.